Okay friends, welcome to Learn Chinese episode 1. So remember you can always download this free worksheet on this website. It is called Learn Chinese-Mandarin.blogspot.com. So remember there is a blogspot here. So today we are going to learn basic Chinese jokes. And note that before you learn this one, I want to differentiate with you. And this is not the full characters of Chinese language. So this is just partial of the Chinese character. That's why you need to learn this basic Chinese stroke in order to write proper Chinese. So the first one is called Dian. And before I write this one, it is okay, you can use a pencil to write or use a ball pen. So this is a more special pen to write a Chinese character. So let's start with the first basic Chinese joke. It's called Dian or dot. So Dian, Dian, Dian. And then the second one is called Heng. So it is horizontal stroke. Heng, Heng, Heng. And then the third one is called Su, which means it's a vertical stroke. Su. And you will see a word text here, basically. And then the fourth one is called Pie. So this is a downstroke to the left. So this is third tone actually. And downstroke to the left. And then we have this one is called Na. Na is downstroke to the right. So downstroke to the right. And that's okay if you just write like this. The next one is called Ti, upward stroke. So there is a word text here also. And then we have this one, Heng Gou, horizontal stroke with a hook. So horizontal stroke with a hook. So this hook also has this word text here. And then we have Su Gou, which means vertical stroke with a hook. So vertical and then a hook. This is called Su Gou. Su Gou. And then we have Xie Gou, slant stroke with a hook. Xie Gou. Xie Gou. Xie Gou. So we finished the first page. So let's go to the second page. So this one is called Heng Zhe, horizontal stroke with a vertical turn. So Heng Zhe, Heng Zhe, Heng Zhe. And then we have next one. It's called Su Zhe, vertical stroke with a horizontal turn to the right. So Su Zhe, Su Zhe. So it's like opposite of this one. Su Zhe. And then we have Heng Pie, which means horizontal stroke with a downturn to the left. So horizontal, and then you have a downturn to the left. Horizontal stroke with a downturn to the left. And then you have this one, Pie Dian, downstroke to the left combined with a dot. So downstroke, and then with a 点. So this 点 compared to the first one, this is longer. 撇点撇点. And then we have this one, the longest one. It's called 横折折钩. 横折折折钩. So horizontal down to the left, horizontal down to the left, and a hook. So 横折折折钩. So again, 横折折折钩. 横折折折钩. And then the next one is called 横斜弯钩. 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 So if you heard the 钩, it means we have this vertex here. And then we have this one, 竖弯钩, which means vertical stroke followed by a level bending stroke with a hook. So 竖弯钩, 竖弯钩, 竖弯钩. And then we have this one, 横折弯钩. So horizontal stroke followed by a vertical one, and then a hook. So 横折弯钩, 横折弯钩, 横折弯钩. And then we have this one, 竖折弯钩, 竖折弯钩. Vertical stroke with a double turn and a hook. So vertical stroke with a double turn and a hook. Vertical, double turn, and then a hook. Vertical, double turn, and a hook. So let's go to page 3. So this one, 弯钩. So it's bending stroke with a hook. So this one is not vertical, it's slightly bent. So bending stroke with a hook. Bending stroke with a hook. 弯钩. And then we have 横折钩. Horizontal. 横折钩. 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 And then we have this one, 横折提. Horizontal stroke followed by a vertical one, and then a lift to the top right. So 横折提, 横折提, 横折提. And then this one, 横折折撇. 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 And then we have 横撇弯钩. 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 And then we have 撇折, downstroke to the left with a turn to the right. So 撇折, 撇折, 撇折. And then we have 竖提, vertical stroke followed by a lift to the top right. So vertical stroke, 竖提, 竖提, 竖 题. And then we have this one, 竖折撇. 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 And then this one, 竖折折. 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 And then we go to the last page, page 4. This one, 横折折. 横折折. So it's like a Z. 横折折. 横折折. And then we have this one, 横折折折. 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 The next one, 横折弯. 横折弯. So, which means horizontal stroke with a vertical turn and then a bending stroke. 横折弯. 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 And then this one, 扁斜钩 or called a 握钩. This one is a level bending stroke with a hook. So this one, 扁斜钩. 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 And then the last one, 横斜钩. Horizontal stroke followed by a right following stroke and an upward hook. So, 横斜钩. 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 So before I end this video, remember that you can always go to this website here. So this website, to download this episode worksheet. So in this paper, you can train yourself to write the basic Chinese strokes and learn its English meaning. And that's it for today. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, you can always press here. And you can also take a look on the related videos here. And right below this video, you can click the link in the description and join my Telegram robot to download these free worksheets. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.